In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Analytics. Let's dive right in and start with the fundamental steps necessary to effectively log into Google Analytics and navigate through your account to access your desired reports. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. As you reach the landing page, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it and then select Analytics from the drop-down menu. This action will prompt you to enter your Google account details. Here, use your Google or Gmail account credentials to log in. If you're using enhanced security features like two-step verification, you may be prompted to complete this as well. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, and you should be able to successfully sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to your Google Analytics homepage, where you'll see different organizational elements within your account. At the top level, you will be introduced to your account, which acts as a container for all your data. Within this account, you'll find different properties, which are essentially data streams representing sites or apps you want to track. For example, if you're using the newest version, Google Analytics 4, your website will be set up as a property within the account. To move forward, locate the specific property you intend to explore or check reports for. It should be listed under the account, typically accompanied by your other properties if you have more than one. Click on the desired property, and voila, you've now accessed the reports for that particular site or platform. This step opens a gateway to a wide array of data insights and analytical tools at your disposal. Something to keep in mind is the importance of correctly selecting your property, especially if you operate multiple websites or applications. Missteps here could lead you to analyze the wrong data, which might skew your understanding and strategic decision-making. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to access your Google Analytics data. As you spend more time using this powerful tool, you'll become increasingly comfortable navigating your way around and uncovering the wealth of information it offers. Remember, the insights you glean from Google Analytics can tremendously influence your digital strategies and help you make informed decisions to enhance your online performance.